Hello students, welcome to chemistry online class. Today we are going to discuss why ketones are more acidic than esters. To explain this topic, I am taking two examples. One is ketone and other one is ester. If we go through the literature, the pKa value of ketone is approximately 20 and the pKa of ester is approximately equal to 25 respectively. From pKa data, we can say that ketones are million times more acidic than esters. Last class, we have discussed that the acidic strength of alpha hydrogen depends upon stability of carbanion or formation of enolate. To understand the difference in the pKa, we take help from thermodynamics. From thermodynamics, the standard free energy equal to minus RT ln K. Here our K is acid dissociation constant. So I can write this equation delta G naught equal to minus 2.303 RT log Ka. I am writing in this fashion this expression minus log K. I can write that expression 2.303 RT minus log K. I can write pKa. From this expression, I can say that delta G directly proportional to pKa value. Here R is a constant, temperature is constant and 2.303 is constant. So directly you will get relation between Gibbs free energy and pKa. From this relationship, I can say that delta G is directly proportional to pKa. That indicates if delta G value is decreasing, pKa value also decreases. And what is the relationship between acidic strength and pKa? pKa and acidic strength or acidity is inversely proportional. If delta G is decreasing, pKa value is decreases. If pKa value decreases, acidic strength is increases. That means the stability of the carbanion which will decide the pKa value. If the lower the delta G value, lower the pKa value and higher the acidic strength. Now same concept we apply to the above molecules. Here I am taking potential energy of the systems. Here I am writing a ketone. And these potential energies are unionized state. And here I am writing ester. So ester potential energy in the unionized state will be lower compared with the ketones. OR. Why ester is having lower potential energy is which is having a delocalization of electron on oxygen. Once it is delocalized, we will get resonating structures O minus O R. Because of this resonance, the ester molecule, it will be there in the lower potential energy. So similar kind of resonance we cannot see in the ketones. That's what there is a energy difference will be there between two structures. After ionization, that is donation of protons, which will form a carbene ion. Ketone can form carbene ion RC double bond O CH2 minus. And similarly, the ester can form carbene ion, but only the difference, there will be energy difference will be there between the ketone carbene ion and ester carbene ion. Now if we see the difference in the delta G, in the case of ketone delta G and in the case of esters, by looking at the diagram we can say delta G here smaller. If it is a smaller, the pK value will be lower, and delta G and pK directly proportional. Here in the case of ester, the delta G is larger and pK value which come as a higher value. So basically when you are taking a thermodynamics data, whatever the carbene ion which is formed, in the case of ketone which is stabilized by resonance and its potential energy lower. Similarly, ester also forms carbene ion, but which is having higher potential energy. What could be the reason for ester having higher potential energy? Can be explained by delocalization concept. Here I am taking ketone. It loses alpha hydrogen as a minus H plus. It forms a carbene ion. This carbene ion stabilized by resonance. And it forms enolate ion. Similarly, if we take ester, ester loses alpha hydrogen, it forms carbene ion. The oxygen atom of ester group, which involves resonance with a carbonyl carbon. So these oxygen lone pair has given to carbon oxygen bond, and these electrons are polarized. As a result, we get a resonating structure O minus and CH2 minus. This resonating structure relatively unstable because oxygen is having negative charge and carbene ion which is having negative charge. The repulsions between these two negative charges will exist. As a result, potential energy increases. This resonance effect overrides the polar effect of the ester oxygen. And we know that polar effect is one of the important factor for deciding acidic strength. In the case of ketone, polar effect as well as formation of enolate ion, both the effects are possible. But in the case of ester, only formation of carbene ion is predominant, but polar effect is completely override by resonance. Hence, in the case of ester carbene ion, the potential energy increases, but in the case of ketone, which is stabilized by the resonance as well as polar, So I can conclude that with these two factors, ketone is having higher acidic strength than ester.